Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana Taneja. So here in this video we have a question, exponents question, and they say us that x times 27 raised to power x is equal to 1. Okay. If I observe this question, can I somehow make it like this? If you have something raised to power something like same things in the power and the base, and on the right hand side as well you have same things as the power and the base, same number, then you can actually say a is equal to b, right? So whenever we have this type of question, we have power in x, always try to do it this way. Okay, so what will I do? I will take x to the right hand side. How? I will divide by x on both sides. Here I get 27 raised to power x, and this will be 1 by x. Can I somehow now take this x as well over there? How? If I take power 1 by x on both sides. Okay. Why? Then this x will eliminate because I know that a raised to power b raised to power c. Whenever you have bracket, you actually multiply the powers. This b and c will get multiplied. Okay. So it would become 27 is equal to 1 by x raised to power 1 by x. Okay. Now, somehow we know that 3 raised to power 3 is what? 27, right? So, on the right hand side, we have 1 by x raised to power 1 by x, right? So, that means we can see that a raised to power a is equal to b raised to power b, right? So, whenever you see a pattern like this, always equate them, then x is 1 by x is equal to 3, and this implies x is equal to 1 by 3, and we are done, right? So I hope you understood this was quite easy question, and if you like it, do subscribe to my channel and visit my channel for more Maths Olympiad questions. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, see you in next video.